If you want to lock apps on iPhone with Face ID or passcode, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So one of the ways to do it, you can just go ahead and pin down your app that you want to lock because you don't want anyone to have access to your information or to your account. You could go lots of example Facebook, and you can see right here, if you hold Facebook, you're gonna be able to see pop-up window, click require Face ID, and that this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear in notification previews or spotlight. So if you're sure you want to do that, you can just go ahead and click require Face ID. But if you want to lock every app on your iPhone, here's a step that you can do. Go ahead to your shortcut, right? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and click automation, and we're gonna click a new automation, right? And then we're gonna scroll a bit down till we find app, right? Click app right here, and basically what we're gonna do next, we're gonna just go ahead and click right here, choose app, and then you're gonna pin down. If you want to use all apps on your iPhone, you could just go ahead and select them all. Okay, and if you want a specific app, as we said before, you can do the previous method, which is holding the app, and then you're gonna click require Face ID, and the app will disappear. And if you have even access to that app, you will need a facial recognition, right? And then basically go ahead and hit done, and then basically what you're gonna do next, if you chose the apps, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit next, right? And basically you're gonna be able to select the action, right? Select the timer, right? Let's say timer, right? And then go ahead and click start timer for duration or a minute, and then we're gonna just go ahead and select the duration, let's say 45 minutes, right? Or if you want seconds, you want it to be seconds, you could just go ahead and select it and just go ahead and hit done at the top, and then basically you now generated the automation for the apps to be unlocked under a specific time, right? So basically that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.